Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video surprise is on my new mouse. I'm replacing my Microsoft Intelli mouse with something different for gaming and something more ergonomic, and it's also a lot more inexpensive. So what I have here is the Zelotes optical mouse. It's a office mouse and a gaming mouse. So there's a nice manual that comes inside. I'm going to show you some of the functions. Nothing too special here, except it's an ergonomics mouse, and you can switch to different colors and stuff like that. There's 7 different colors in this mouse. So let's get started. So this is the fire button, forward, backwards. You also have the clicking over here. Let's see if I'm clicking. And also the nice strobe wheel that also changes color. The light seems to show up over here fine. There's also another clicker here, and also the DPI. You can adjust the DPI. That's the little cursor on your screen. You know, the arrow or whatever you have. And it's a nice color. So it cycles through 7 colors. So if you want to cycle it through really fast, you want to hold this thing here for 2 seconds or so. Then you can see it change. You can see all the different colors. And there's 2 red, you probably will notice that. But you have to leave it on the original red, then it's going to change color. Let's see if I left on the right red. That's the right red. It's going to keep on cycling. But if you want to stay at a certain color, just click this key and leave it on that red. That's what I found out. And it's very, very simple to use. And there's a nice braided cable, and the USB plugs in back in the computer as well too. So let's look in the back and see what you see. So the bit is they pride on saying this mouse is for gaming, of course. Adjustable DPI 1000, 1600, 2400, 3200, 5500 DPI. So you know, pick the one that you want to see on your computer with speed you want. All right, so it's a 5-volt, 100 milliamp. It's a USB mouse. Okay, the model is T-80 BIG Mac. That's why it says MAC. It's kind of hard to see over there, but it's a T-80. So, and that's pretty much the mouse in general. So this is how it sounds when you're clicking, like that. If you're doing gaming, it's forward mode, backwards mode, forward mode. And then this is if you're playing a game, you want to click really fast, this is the one to do. So that's pretty much the mouse in general. What I like and what I don't like about it. I love the color. It's just great. You know, nice grip. This anti-slip strobe wheel is nice. There's a little plastic over here. Braided cable. I wish the cable is a little bit more longer. That's the only con I have about this mouse. It's kind of tight. You see my setup over here. You know, I don't have a lot of room. Sorry, I'm not the most neat person here, but it's just like, wish a little bit longer because my computer's in the back of my desk over there. But other than that, I mean, it's very comfortable, you know, and it's very inexpensive. It's like $10 on Amazon. So, you know, you can check it out. Thumbs up. See you next time. Bye.